The Association of Resident Doctors, University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital, has identified incessant assault on its members, poor social amenities, and massive low manpower as major challenges trailing effective performance of its members in the last 1 year. The outgoing president of the association, Dr. Mubarak Ijaya, disclosed this while addressing journalists ahead of its 40th annual general meeting in Ilorin, the state capital. According to the outgoing president of the association, Dr. Mubarak Ijaya, the last 1 year has been the most challenging one for members, considering the level of assault on doctors by relatives of patients, inadequate social amenities, and massive low manpower, which requires federal government's attention.
Firstly was an assault case that happened at A&E, and we were able to actually show our grievances to the patient and their relatives, and we are aware that there are issues and some systemic stuff within the hospital. But we feel that patients and relatives should channel their grievances through the right way. Other things that we had during this year has been the issue of low manpower. Or as the country is, despite the recruitment process, we are back to where we were last year, in the sense that some of our members have passed their exams. They are now fellows and they've left the system because they are there's no opportunity to be retained within UIT, so they went elsewhere to work.
Dr. Ijaya also advised the federal government to consider granting waivers to the University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital with a view to recruiting more doctors in the health institution.
1 or 2 people doing work of 10 doctors, and then the workload is also high. So we are hoping that something will be done in that regard. I also want to plead to the federal government to please assist the hospitals in getting them waiver as soon as possible, so that the recruitment process can be hastened up and can be.
The association, however, maintained that more of its members may still migrate out of the country to the US in search of greener pastures, giving better working environment as major reason.